So if we want to draw something, we have to learn how to draw lines. Lines are basics of drawing. So if we want to learn drawing, we have to learn how to draw lines. Lines are many types. There are straight lines and there are curved lines. Straight lines are of two types. They are vertical and horizontal. So there are horizontal lines and there are vertical lines. So we have to practice how to do lines. So we will basically try to draw lines with free hand using not any instruments. Practice makes a man perfect. So if we practice lines, we can do it. The straight lines. And at the same time, we have to practice the vertical lines. Also, the perfect curve lines. The waves, the big waves, smaller waves, and some designing curve lines. So using lines and shapes, we can create anything.